Today we'll be configuring and setting up a TP-Link router, which I did a video of unboxing some times on my previous video, so you can go and watch that video, or I can give a link on my video description, so you can watch that video. It's very nice, so you can go and watch it now, guys. So let's start configuring it. Now guys, what you have to do, you can connect your router on any machine, which is laptop or desktop, and you can set it up when you can connect it with the LAN cable, or you can connect it with Wi-Fi wirelessly. So I will be connecting it wirelessly. So go ahead and to see the connection which are available. Now this is my router, so go ahead and select it and connect. Now remember guys, the Wi-Fi name and the security key, they are at the bottom of your router. So there you will find them there, the default one. So let me go ahead and put my security code, my security key. Select next. Now guys, as you can see, it has connected. So what we have to do, as you can see, we don't have internet. So let's go ahead, go to any browser of your choice, and on address bar type TP-Link Wi-Fi.net. Then click enter. Now this will be the first page you'll see. This is the first page. So it is telling you to insert a new password. So let's go ahead and do that. Now this is the password which you will be using when you want to access the router and change anything on the router. So you will be using this password, so don't forget it. This will be the first page. Now what the first thing you have to do, as you can see, let us put a time zone. This is my time zone. Go next. Now here you will choose a mode which you will be using. The first one is if you will be using only a USB modem, that is 3G and 4G USB modem. The second one is if you have both internet through LAN, and you have also a USB modem. So this one you will select if you will be needing to use USB modem as your default, and LAN cable as your backup. The third one is if you don't have USB modem, you only have LAN cable, you use this one. The other one is if you have both USB modem and you have a LAN cable, so you select this one. But this one is if you want to use your LAN cable as your default. So let us select this one, because in future we can be using both of these. So let's select this one and go next. This will telling you after finishing, the router will be reboot. So let's say yes. Now here is where you have to know how your internet service provider has issued you your IP addresses. So, or if how he has configured your modem, that is the modem which you are using. Now this one, the first one, the dynamic IP, is if your router is your modem is issuing IP addresses automatically. This is where you use, and this is the most common one. So I know most of the people have to use this one because it's the most common. The second one is the one which if your ISP is has configured your modem or is issuing your modem manual IP addresses. This is where you have to configure all the machine manually, inserting your IP addresses. But these are the only two most of people use. But the first one is the main one. So this one is the one which you use. But mine, I use static IP because is the one my ISP has provided me with. So I have to configure all my machine manually. But for this purpose, for now, let me show you how you can set it dynamically. So let's select dynamic and go next. Don't change anything here. Go next. Here you select if you have USB modem. As you can see, I have not plugged it in. So you will set it here. The pin or the pin. Remember, you have to deactivate your pin to use your USB modem. So make sure that the pin of your SIM card is pinless. And here you select your carrier. Now I will not change anything here because I'm not using model for the time being. So go next. Here you change your Wi-Fi address, your SSD name, that is your Wi-Fi name, the password. These are all default. So you change this one and go next. And here, as you can see, if I save it, it will save all the changes which we have made. But as I said, I will not do this because my modem which I'm using is set as static IP. So I have to set this router as using static IP. So this is what we have to do. Most of the people has to do. So let me go back. Now let's just choose a static IP. Now here, let me choose this static IP. I have to configure everything manually, including all the IP addresses. So let me go. So now here is where I have to configure all the IP addresses manually. So select this one and let me use this is my IP addresses. Remember, most of us will not be requiring this. As when you select dynamic IP, you will not be inserting all these addresses. But for my high internet service provider has given me static IP, so I have to use this one. So don't mind this one because most of us will not be using it. Now then go next. Then next. Now here, let's change this one. Let's change this to our channel name. Put a flash. A flash. Put this one, flash checkup. Then let's change our Wi-Fi password to, let's say something like that one. Then go next. Then let us save all the details which have been inserted. Now remember, after saving, the router will be booted. You can see it is saving. First, it is saving all the changes. Then it will reboot. As you can see, it is rebooting. So give it a moment, it will reboot. Guys, as you can see, after rebooting, we have the internet has connected and we have the internet. As you can see, it has internet. The internet is there. So let's go ahead and type something like to Google. As you can see, we have internet.
Okay guys, as you have seen, configuring that router is very easy. Anyone can do that. Any person who doesn't have that much knowledge can do that. So it's very easy to configure it. So thank you so much for watching in this video, and don't forget to leave a comment or share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on that notification so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. So thank you so much guys for watching. My name is Flavian from Flash Tech Up. I'll see you on my next video, so take care.